we're talking about what these folks' options are, but I wanted to show you the job site. They had someone come in to try to strip their cabinets, and the stripper didn't work very well, and so they decided to sand everything, and they weren't doing a very good job of sanding, but all of the stuff that they were doing was in the client's house. And so they were working on the doors and drawers in the client's garage, and this is what it looks like at the work site. This is why we take all of the stuff off-site, so our clients don't have to deal with this kind of a mess.